Hello all dear friends, welcome to the Binary Wins channel. I'm with you again with another series of trading videos with candlestick psychology. I want to make a few trades on the PocketOption broker and review some tips and patterns together. I suggest you follow me carefully until the end of the video. Dear viewers, before starting the video, if you would like to support me, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the channel link with those who are interested in professional activity in the binary options market. Also, to start your activity in this market, use the registration and login links in the video description and receive a 50 to 100% initial bonus to start practicing and trading. Okay, first of all, let's look for a suitable chart for the trade. We set the candlestick time to 1 minute and the trade time to 1 minute floating. If you look closely, our trend is an uptrend. The candles have formed a higher high for us again. If you look, I entered a lower trade. Look, we have a level on the left. Our candlestick closed on the level and received pressure and rejection. There is a possibility of repeating the past behavior towards this level. Okay, I entered a higher trade with a margin of safety. If you look closely, we have an FVG area here. The red candlestick has already received rejection from this area, so there is a possibility of a green candlestick forming. You can see that both previous red candles could not cross this area, so I entered a higher trade. Excellent. I entered a higher trade. Look. My trend is an uptrend and I have a bullish golden area here, and I entered a higher trade when a green candlestick formed in the golden area. The gap and distance to the round number level are visible. There is a possibility that the candles will continue to move to the next area of sellers. we will wait for our position to be closed. But why didn't I trade here and wait? Dear ones, look. It is true that we have a bullish golden area here, but the next candle is formed with a gap between the candles. See this gap? Also, the open price of our new candle is at the wrong number level. Since the green candle also made a new low compared to the previous candle, I didn't enter the trade because I had different reasons for both a higher trade and a lower trade. You can see that the candle turned red. We can also see a range of sellers here that prevents the candles from continuing to move. Dear ones, since the chart conditions are in a bad market and full of weak candles, I will look for a healthy chart for trade. Okay, we are on the GBP USD currency pair. I will set the trade time to 1 minute again. Dears, when you click on the main market currency pairs, your trading time changes to 2 minutes. We do not have the possibility to trade in the 1 minute floating time in the main market at PocketOption broker. For 1 minute trading, we must use the fixed time. For trading in the floating time in the main market currency pairs in PocketOption, we can use the time from 2 minutes up. So, because I clicked on the main currency pair, my trading time changed and I have to set it back to 1 minute floating. Okay? I entered the lower trade. Look, our trend is a downtrend. If I zoom out, you can see that we have a strong downtrend. Okay, I entered the trade with the confirmation of the trend and the attractive SCR candlestick pattern. Look, 1, 2, and each time the green candle is between the red candles. If we combine these two candles with candlestick math, it will become a green candlestick. So, I entered the lower trade using powerful SCR pattern. I entered the lower trade with a margin of safety. If you look, on the left side, we have an effective level. I first waited for the candle to show rejection from the left side level, then I entered the trade. Here, a chair candlestick pattern is formed for me. If you combine the two red candles with candlestick math, we have a cherry candlestick pattern in the downtrend direction. So, I entered the lower trade due to the formation of a string chair pattern and using candlestick math in the same direction as the string downtrend. Okay dears, if this video was useful for you, I would appreciate it if you like the video and support the channel. My friends and dear ones, be careful not to trade in bad market and volatility charts. As I said before, no matter how much your strategy, your analysis, and your knowledge are strong, you cannot get enough results in bad markets, and this may cause you disappointment and discouragement. Don't forget to work hard, have practice and capital management. Don't take risks without having enough experience and practice. The key to success in this market is practice, effort, and follow-up. Don't forget that you are the best. Take care of yourself until the next video. Bye!